our cousin Christine. Why are you holding a knife? I'm getting scared.
It was like $500.
And then he'll be like, oh, I love Trader Joe's.
Everything from Trader Joe's.
Sponsor us.
Seriously though.
Right now.
We love Trader Joe's.
Joe, sponsor us.
Is this name Joe?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we have our cousin Christine on here because I texted her way back when I was thinking about future content, and I decided to do a one-pan super easy recipe that college students can do on a budget. It feeds many meals or many mouths, either or, and yeah, it's gonna be super simple but super tasty, so let's go right ahead and get started.
With the headphones.
Thank you. The recipe that I literally made up in my mind calls for 1 pepper. We're gonna both be making it to show you guys anyone can make it. Hannah, do you cook?
No.
Who cooks when you are in school?
Why are you holding a knife? I'm getting scared.
I don't know how to cut very well. The only thing I make for myself is avocado toast.
So
So
bougie.
you assemble it.
I toast the bread. I think that
So you have
counts.
to cut this.
I don't know how to cut.
Okay, so the peppers are a little harder if you cut like this because they bend in. I like to do it this way because you have more stability. So then you can just cut it in half like this.
Oh, knife so smooth.
I can't. So I'm just gonna cut it into cubes. So then, yep. Same with this. Just be careful with your hands because I don't want you to cut it. And you have to hold it down like this. Yeah.
How small am I making?
Let's just make it like that. That size.
Dice.
Oh yeah.
You can do whatever you want.
Like a
though.
Dyson?
No.
Gosh.
I got a Dyson.
Oh yeah!
Don't tell my dad. Don't tell my dad.
He doesn't watch her.
No, sometimes he does.
Whatever. Would he really get mad? I don't think he cares.
I don't think he would get mad either. My
Yeah.
mom said just
wouldn't
to
even
hide
know
it.
what it is.
Yeah, exactly.
It's because he's gonna ask
How much was that?
and then you have to say it.
It was like $500.
And then he'll be like, oh,
But it's so worth it.
I love onions. They smell so good.
They really don't smell good.
Ah!
You got it. You can do it. Yeah, be careful with your
Don't
hair.
worry. I'm professional. I cut bread all the time.
Okay. Jeez. Okay. Okay.
that
I'm gonna give you.
cilantro?
This is parsley. Did I ever say what we're making?
No.
Oh, whoops. Sorry.
Surprise.
We are making a 1-pot sausage orzo dish, like rosé.
Yeah. Like Rosé from Blackpink.
No. So this is my famous sauce, penne rosa
My favorite pasta.
of mine.
Yeah.
So
Don't
you wanna?
my butt.
Shit, yeah. Essie's sniffing her. Really gather it up like tight.
Like roll it almost.
Yeah.
What is that?
You told me to roll it.
Like Colombian.
Yeah, actually, here you use this knife.
Have knives in your
Apartment.
Oh, we have like a butcher's knife where it's like a cleaver. We have a cleaver.
Why do you have cleaver?
What's a cleaver? I don't even know what a cleaver is.
Cleaver?
Yeah, kind of. That was the only knife that we had for a while. It was dull though, so it was useless.
Nice.
You okay?
Yeah.
Switch knives again. The big one kind of intimidates me.
Heather, why don't you introduce us to you, like what school you go to, what year you're in? Yeah, so tell us about you.
I am Christine. I am 20.
We're literally 10 years apart. God, so
No,
sad.
Honey and I are 10 years apart. You're 11 years apart.
No?
Me and you are 9 years apart.
No.
Oh wait, it's right because your birthday is in January, mine's in June.
You were born in 2002. I was born in 92.
Oh yeah.
So Angie's 11 years older than you.
Well, it's like 10 and a half, okay?
Whatever.
Okay, anyways, I go to NYU. I am a sophomore studying psychology and minoring in data science. Industrial and organizational psychology, which is basically where you go into like a workplace or a workforce and then you analyze the data there. And Are you done?
Yeah. It's okay, take your time. I don't want you to hurt yourself. No, it's okay, you don't have to rush. I know, right? Going double speed. Good job. Okay, so we are done with this. Let's go wash our hands. Okay, we washed our hands and we're back. So first, we each have a pot. Let's take the lid off and turn it to a medium. Okay, and then sprinkle some olive oil. Just go like this, like a little bit. Good job. then we're gonna add in a teaspoon of minced garlic. Let me give you.
Actually do cook.
What do you cook?
Me and my dear friend Jack, shout out.
Hi, Jack. Your friend.
We make HelloFresh meals.
Oh, you get HelloFresh? You're so rich.
No, we
So
get
bougie.
coupons. So the last time we got it for like, we got 6 meals for $20.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so let me give me a bit.
But like when you mince your own garlic,
And then add in your
tastes better.
peppers and onions.
Yeah, it does taste
it's
good.
fresh.
Are you gonna do your Korean word of the day?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I don't have a word, so you can do
Word of the day? Where do I look?
the main camera.
Today's word of the day is ha늘.
And what does haner mean?
It means sky.
Why do you say it like that?
Her name is Sky. Haner. Let's add in the sausage.
Sausage. Did you guys watch Singles Inferno?
Yeah, I finished it.
I can't.
Why?
I don't like
I
singles.
liked it. It was good.
Who do you like the best?
I still like the one.
My mom and I both watch Sungjia,
Her
her
YouTube.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We both really like her.
So I'll do mine first.
Yeah, she does really
We're gonna kind of like toast it in a way
Oh.
first before we add the water in. Okay, now you do a cup. When you're in New York, where do you go grocery shopping? Or do you go grocery shopping?
I go to Trader Joe's. An apple at Trader Joe's is like $2 for the one I want. A singular apple.
One apple.
A
One
singular apple.
But a singular apple, the one I like, it's the Honey Crisp, the organic one.
Yeah.
At H Mart, it's like $7. It's like $5 to $7.
Like a bag, right?
No, like one singular apple.
One apple?
It's more expensive at H Mart.
Singular. Funny.
How is one apple $7?
You see
That's
the
what
water
I'm saying. That's why I go to Trader Joe's. No, it's okay.
Got it.
We'll put the lid on and let it cook. Keep our eye on it so it doesn't like overflow.
Keep a singular eye on it.
Just
One eye and one eye there. Okay, so now we let this like simmer and cook. We can bring it down to, is it still at a medium? Yeah, okay. Yeah, and then we let it do its thing. And yeah, we just sit and wait.
This is very like bare minimum prep,
Yeah.
I tried to find ingredients that weren't gonna be so expensive.
but still kind of healthy.
Yeah. What do you like so much about Sungjia?
I like her confidence.
You're confident too.
I act confident, but
Oh,
if I
you're
was
not
in a
inside?
show like that, I'd be like,
Oh my god, these girls are so pretty.
yeah, I'd cry. I'd cry myself to sleep. But literally, Sungjia, she's like, she knows she's pretty.
We're gonna add in the marinara. I get it. Yeah.
Wow,
strong, right?
so strong.
It's been like what, 4 or 5 minutes ish.
Beautiful.
Give this a mix. And we're gonna add in a half cup of marinara.
That smells amazing.
Right? It's okay if it's a little too much.
It's okay.
Oops.
And my tip is barbecue sauce. So I really like adding barbecue sauce to my pastas, if it's like a rosé type of thing, because it really helps it to like, it ties everything together. So this is like the best barbecue sauce. It's sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue
sounds
sauce
so
from.
good.
It's so
I
good.
love sriracha.
Is that Trader Joe's?
Yeah, it's so good.
Ooh, it's so hot.
And then we're gonna do a half cup of this. Is it coming out?
Yeah. Wait, let me.
Here. You want to use it?
Yes.
You can use Greek yogurt too. It'll just be more tangy with Greek yogurt.
Tasty.
Yeah. So just do like half of this. And then you can taste it later and see if you need to do more.
If you want to eat a lot, it's probably like 3.
3 servings, okay. So let's let this simmer for about 3 more minutes. We'll add in the spinach, mix it around, And then pretty much done. We're just gonna garnish with some cheese. I know this is a little like fancy.
Garnish with that cheese.
I know, we're gonna like grate it on top to make it look pretty.
Parmesan cheese.
It's like so easy. Okay, let's add in
for
the
college.
spinach.
So I had to go to that class.
Were all your
I'm
classes?
gonna just add in a handful of spinach, however much you want. So in the meantime, let's go get our bowls so that we can test it out and see how it tastes.
Yeah.
All right. It looks fancy.
It looks nice. I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah. Okay.
You like it?
I love Trader Joe's.
Everything's from Trader Joe's.
Sponsor us
Seriously though.
right
We
now.
love Trader. I literally shop everything from Andy's Table at Trader
Joe, sponsor us.
Joe's. Is this name Joe?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Probably. Oh, 뜨거워.
You like the sausage? Mm-hmm. So for the vegetarians out there, all you need to do is substitute the sausage for nothing, or you can just do mushroom. Tofu would be good too. Pan fry the tofu.
Yeah, like, or they can use like corn tofu.
Mm-hmm.
Pan fry it and then like, roll it. It'd be good.
It's like a topping maybe. Like with
your
cooking. Yeah. Oh, she knows. Yeah, you use your heart. Like your heart will tell you to stop. And you're like, the heart's like, okay, that's enough marinara. Like, you know.
Until your heart stops first.
Oh my god.
Is it your first time trying Orzo?
I like it.
I like it.
I was chewing.
I'll make it.
Yum. I would make, what am I talking about? Pasta for HelloFresh.
Is this better?
This is way better. That one like had no sauce, like flavor.
Really?
Like they had sauce, but it was just like plain marinara or like plain something.
Yeah.
Marinara's good, but you always need something more.
Yeah.
It's like not
spice,
enough.
Or you need some kind of like other sauce. It's never enough.
Yeah, I agree. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is not only great for college students, but also for those that are busy. Be careful, you have, I don't want to
People
your
that
white
don't
shirt.
really like cooking, like me.
Yeah. And it's easy because it's one pot. You don't have to boil the orzo separately and then add it in. You just literally do it in one pot. So it's super simple, super delicious. We have proof that anyone can do it.
Ayo.
So, we'll see you guys on our next video.